Find the sum of the integers from 1 to 200 which are not divisible by 5. Tafuta jumla ya namba kuanzia 1 hadi 200 ambazo hazigawanyiki kwa 5. Solution. First, we have to find number of terms which is divisible by 5. Number of terms which is divisible by 5. How can we get it? First, we have to find nth term. To find nth term, number of terms which is divisible by 5. How many are they? Cha kwanza inatakiwa tutafute namba ambazo zinagawanyika kwa 5. Ni ngapi hizo? So our series is 5 plus 10 plus 15 plus 20 up to 200. All number there which you see is divisible by 5. So we find number of term which is divisible by 5. Given first term is 5. Common difference, when you take 10 minus 5 is 10 minus 5 you get 5. 15 minus 10 you get 5. 20 minus 15 you get 5. So the common difference is 10. Kwa ukichukua 10 toa 5 unapata 5, ukichukua 15 toa 5 unapata 5, ukichukua 20 toa 5 unapata 5, hadi utakapofika temu hizo ambazo namba zinagawanyika kwa 5 hadi zifike 200. Nth term, lakini temu yetu ya mwisho ni ipi? Temu ya mwisho ina thamani ya 200 kama unavyoiona pale. Temu ya mwisho ina thamani ya 200, temu ya kwanza ni 5 na common difference ni 5. Kwa hiyo ili tupate number of terms kwamba ziko term ngapi, sababu hatujui kwamba ziko ngapi. Kwa hiyo tupate kwanza number of term. Itatusaidia. The number of terms, when we find the number of terms, it help us to find the sum of the numbers which divisible by 5. So let us find first number of terms. How many are they? First, we know in order to get number of terms we have to use arithmetic formulas, arithmetic progression formula or general formula. We have nth term is equal to a1 plus n minus 1 times d. Ili tupate number of term lazima tutumie hii kanuni. Kwa hiyo basi nth term we have is 200. First term we have is 5 plus bracket n we don't have minus 1 times common difference we have, that is 5. Open bracket. When you open bracket ukifungua mabano it mean 200 is equal to 5n. Why? Because when you open bracket there it will be 5n minus 1. So 5 and 5 will cancel, it mean 5n. Kwa hiyo ukifungua mabano 5 na 5 zitaisha, itabaki 5n. Divide by 5 both side. When you divide by 5 both side you will found that n is equal to 40 as you see there. Kwa ukiganya kwa 5 kila upande utagundua kwamba n ni sawa na 5. Upe zile kuanzia zile temu ambazo zinaganyika kwa 5 ambazo zipo kati ya 1 hadi 200 40 kama unavyoiona hapo. Kwa hiyo tushazijua kwamba ziko 40. Kwa hiyo hapa tutafute sasa sum of hizo temu 40 ambazo zipo. Let us find the sum of a number which is divisible by 5 from 1 to 200. But we know that the number which is divisible by 5 is 40. That is, a number which is divisible by 5 is 40. So sum of 40 terms which is divisible by 5 we have is equal to 2. The first term is 5 as you see there. The number of terms for 40 minus 1 times 5 is equal to 20. When you divide 40 divided by 2, ukiganya 40 ganya kwa 2, you get 20. 20 bracket 2 times 5 you get 10. 40 minus 1 you get 39. 39 times 5 bracket is equal to 220 bracket 205. After multiplication and addition there you get 205 times 20 you get 4100. Kwa hiyo hiyo ni sum. Namba zote ambazo zinagawanyika kwa 5, the all number which is divisible by 5, its sum is equal to 4100. Kwa namba zote zinazogawanyika kwa 5, jumla yao ni 4100. Hiyo tushaipata namba ambazo zinagawanyika kwa 5. Kinachofuata is to find numbers which the sum of all integers from 1 up to 200. Kinachofuata tunatafuta namba zote, sum, jumla ya namba zote kuanzia 1 hadi 200. Ya 1 hadi 200. Let's continue. Let's find the sum of all terms from 1 to 200. It means first 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus up to 200. It means all terms without discrimination. So n is equal to 200. Terms zetu ziko 200 kwa sababu utaanza term ya kwanza, first term, second term up to 200 terms. First term ya kwanza kama unavyoona, as you see there, the first term is 1. Common difference is found by taking the next number minus the previous number. You get the common difference. As you see there, our common difference is 1, because when you take 2 minus 1, when you take 3 minus 2, when you take 4 minus 3, also you found that your difference is equal to 1. So the common difference is 1. The formula of finding the sum of nth term is given by n over 2, number of terms times 2 times bracket 2 times the first term plus bracket n minus 1 times common difference. That is a formula of finding the sum of the number. But the sum of 200 terms, we have first term, we have common difference, we have, so the sum to be easy for us to find. So it will be 100 plus 2 plus 2. This is found by calculating the above, is equal to 100 bracket 2 plus, after taking 199 times 1, you get the same 199. So adding there, after adding you get 100 times 201 is equal to 20,100. Get 20,100 as you see on your screen there. Kwa utapata 20,100. Hiyo ndio utaipata pale. Basi, therefore, to get the sum of the numbers which is not divisible by 5, do this. Because now we have the sum of all terms from first up to last, we have is 20,100, and also we have the sum of the numbers which is divisible by 5, which is equal to 4,100 we have. So the things which we missed there, the sum of the number which is not divisible by 5. Tuna jumla ya namba zote kuanzia 1 hadi 200. Jumla yao ni 20,100. Pia tuna jumla ya namba ambazo zinagawanyika kwa 5. Ambazo hizo jumla yake pale tuliyoiona ni 4,100. So hapa kinachotakiwa sasa tutafute jumla ya namba ambazo hazigawanyiki kwa 5. Kwa hiyo in order to get the number which is not divisible by 5, you must take the total number, the sum of the all terms, that is 1 up to 200 terms, minus the sum of the numbers which is divisible by 5, as you see there. So it will be sum of all terms, or sum of 200 terms, minus sum of 40 terms, that is equal to 20,100 minus 4,100, you get 16,000. You get 16,000. So then the number of terms, the sum of the number which is not divisible by 5, its sum is equal to 16,000. Hapa lazima uelewe kwamba ili upate the sum of the numbers which divisible, which is not divisible by 5, lazima uchukue the sum number ya those which divisible by 5 and the all terms, and you get the remaining part. I mean that the remaining part, it will be for the number which is not divisible by 5. Alright, because we have all parties. Alright, mfano nikupe mfano mmoja. Mfano umeenda tunasema hela iliyobaki ulinunulia mchele. Kwa hiyo hela iliyobaki ni ipi sasa? Utachukua 1000 toa ile 600. Ile iliyobaki ndio ilitumika kununulia mchele. Ndio concept ambayo ilitumika hapa. Are you there? Kwa hiyo ukichukua 1000 toa 600 kutabaki 400. Ile 400 ilitumika kununulia mchele. Huo ndio mfano tu mzuri. For example, let me translate in English that you are given 1,000 to buy sugarcane, and the price of sugar is $600. So, and you are told that the remaining money is used to buy rice. So to get the amount of money which remained, you must take $1,000 minus $600. The remaining is $400. So the $400 is the part which is used to buy rice. That is the concept which is used in our question, that number of the terms, the sum of the number which is divisible by 5, and we have all terms. So when you calculate there, you get the remaining part is for those number which is not divisible by 5. Okay, arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean is given by a plus b over 2. Arithmetic mean ni kanuni yake ni ile pale. Formula finding arithmetic mean. For example, find the arithmetic mean. Find the arithmetic mean between 8 and 10. Solution. Now we know that arithmetic mean a plus b is over 2 is equal to, arithmetic mean I say is a or plus b over 2. Therefore it will be 8 plus 10 over 2 to be 18 over 2 is equal to 9. Kwa ile ni arithmetic mean, wala sio ngumu sana, ni vile vile tu umepewa namba 2, ngoja ile namba 2 zijumlishe kupata arithmetic mean. Kwa kuambia tu arithmetic mean ni unachukua namba 2 ulizopewa unagawanya kwa 2 kupata arithmetic mean. Let me end there and wish you all the best for this lesson. God bless you. Try this question.